Good morning, Martine, mindset, nutrition, and fitness coach coming into you on a Wednesday morning. Happy hump day, everyone. I've just finished my workout, my intense workout I do 3 times a week, short and sharp, 20 minutes, and then I come for a nice walk and talk to you guys. So if you're coming in today, please drop me some hearts, and if you're watching the replay, hashtag replay. So my 3 top tips for getting healthier and fitter, and like they're rocket science, so hold on to your seat. Number 1, decide, make a firm decision. Define what you want, what do you want, when do you want it by, and why. It's really important to do that, otherwise it leaves the back door open for us to just like slip out when the going gets tough, like I really wanted to this morning. Winter is quite hard for me. The cold is not my friend. These people who have ice baths, good luck to you. I'm not doing it. I know the health benefits, but I'm not doing it. But anyway, tip number two is make a plan. If you don't have a plan, I spoke about this the other day, then, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Number 3, just make a start. Take some action, get going, and be true to yourself. If it's what you want and you've really connected with the why, then that makes it a little bit easier. I'm not going to say a lot easier, but it certainly gets you through the times that you really don't want to do it. It feels uncomfortable when you first start. Can I just give you another tip, bonus tip? As you get fitter, some people think that it gets easier. It really doesn't. It gets harder because you're able to push yourself more, and you're either growing or you're dying. So which do you choose? I've been talking about choices this week as well. So that's my 3 tips. Define and decide, make a plan, and then take action, no matter how small it is. And if it's small actions, be consistent with the small actions and make a decision just to grow it. Now, also, I've got an invitation for you guys. I'm running a webinar on the 6th of June, and this is to celebrate the launch of a couple of things, actually. I didn't mention this in my post, but I'm going to be launching my website, my brand new website that my lovely friend Karishma has done, and I'm pretty excited about that. It's been a work in progress because I keep changing things, and but also I'm launching my 12-week program. So as you guys know, if you've been following my lives, been struggling with my weight, so I've dropped everything that I knew about fitness and nutrition and decided to be open to learning something different for the different stage that my body is going through. So I'm going to be launching, it's an information session, guys. Don't feel like I'm going to hold a light up. You just come and have a nosy and celebrate with me, because this has been a huge achievement that has been under a long time under construction. So and I'm just really excited, and I would love it if you guys join me. So it's Monday the 6th of June at 7 p.m. So for those of you in New Zealand, it's just on the back end of Queen's birthday weekend, so no excuses. And you could even grab yourself a glass of wine if you want to celebrate with me on a Monday night. Ooh, naughty. So yeah, come join me. The registration link is down there, and I would love to see you. So wherever you are in the world, I would love to see you and add some value to help you on your health and fitness journey. Right, so I've been looking at the ground more than I've been looking at you guys, so I have no idea if I'm talking to myself or if there's anybody on there. So I'll just have a quick look. You guys are all at work, aren't you? This is me. I'm working. Yeah, love my life. All right, I'm going to sign off, and I will talk to you all very, very soon. Okay, bye for now.